Morning, all you YouTubers out there, or YouTube watchers, however you guys want to put it. Hey, I know it's been a minute since I did a video. I'll explain all that later, but today got a little call. Some people were down here at the beach and they bent a lower control arm on their side-by-side. So I'm going to meet them down there in a minute, see if we can't get that straightened out, put a little reinforcement on it, and get them back out so they can enjoy the rest of their weekend. We're here at our local Miners Ace Hardware. Got to pick up a couple supplies, and then we're gonna roll down, see what we can't do, meet up with them here in just a couple minutes, so stay tuned. All right, so they showed up, and this is what we got going on. Bent lower control arm. So I think we're gonna pull it off, get it over here on the bench, get it straightened out, braced up, and get these nice folks back on their weekend. Yeah.
Let us know if you need help.
Well, it's just what's happening is this lower bar is bound up down here. So trying to get it to come out is, see, it's hidden right here. So normally this would just drop down. See, there's a little bit of room right here. Normally you could drop it down, but I think what I might have to do is pull the jack over here. See if I can lift this up just enough to get this part out. Well, no, I'll just set it on the tires and then move this jack over. All right, so we got it off. Got it on the bench. We're gonna see about trying to get this thing straightened out and put a brace on it.
He said I would hire that dude.
Doesn't know what he said?
Yeah.
All right, so I got some of that on video. It's kind of a long process. This thing was pretty bent, twisted and everything. Got it straightened out pretty decent, and took, hold on, get my fingers out there. Some angle iron we welded on here. This side I doubled it because this was the worst bend. This one over here just had more of a bow, was able to straighten it out, so I think that's going to be good. Had a pretty good bend in here. I had to work out, heat up, so that's got a gusset on it too. And then we're going to try to get it back in there. Hopefully everything, I think I got these guys pretty lined up. Oh, look at that, straight through. Well, it is aftermarket now.
That is the aftermarket part.
Looks beefy.
All right, we got it back on there. The wheels on there look like they're both straight. Everything looks good, and you guys can go and enjoy the rest of your weekend. All right, don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell for notification. Most importantly, be safe, and we'll see you on the trail.